In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable multiple currencies on QuickBooks Online. If you work with customers, vendors, or bank accounts in different countries, turning on multi-currency is essential. It allows you to track transactions in foreign currencies while still keeping your books in one main or home currency. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can turn it on confidently and understand what's happening as you do it. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon. This is the settings icon in QuickBooks Online, and it's where most of your company-level options live. Go ahead and click that gear icon. From the menu that opens, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control core preferences for your company, like your company information, sales, expenses, and of course, advanced options such as currencies. Inside Account and Settings, you'll see several tabs on the left-hand side. Click on the Advanced tab. This section contains settings that affect how your books behave behind the scenes, including things like automation and currency options. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Currency. On the right side of that section, you'll see a small pencil icon, which is the Edit button. Click the pencil icon to start editing your currency settings. At this point, you'll need to choose your company's home currency from the drop-down menu. The home currency is the base currency you use for your financial reporting and most of your accounting. Pick the currency that matches your main business location or the one your financial statements are normally prepared in. Take a moment here to be absolutely sure, because this is a key decision. Next, you'll see an option to turn on multi-currency. There will be a switch you can toggle. Slide or click that multi-currency switch to the on position. This tells QuickBooks that you want to start tracking transactions in different currencies. Once you do this, a confirmation box will appear. Read it carefully. It explains that once multi-currency is turned on, you cannot turn it off later. This is because it fundamentally changes how your data is stored and reported. If you understand and agree, click OK or Save in that confirmation box to confirm your choice. Finally, to lock in everything you've just set, click Save and then click Done at the bottom of the Account and Settings window. Your multi-currency feature is now enabled, and you're ready to start assigning different currencies to customers, vendors, and accounts.